As testing continues, one place where things are slowly starting to get back to normal, the beaches.
Several local beaches reopening today, with a pair of cities taking an extra step, allowing people to sunbathe for the first time in weeks. News 6's Ezzy Castro's live at Cocoa Beach. And Ezzy, that's one of the places where you can lay out again.
That's right, Bridget. So sunbathing is allowed here in Cocoa Beach as well as Satellite Beach, but there are some restrictions. Officials say people still need to practice social distancing and also stay in small groups. Sunbathing has returned to Satellite and Cocoa Beach. Starting today, leaders say people will be allowed to sit on the beach, but must stay in small groups. The city beaches have been restricted to exercise activities only since the beginning of the month because of the pandemic. Meanwhile, Flagler beaches will also be reopening today for limited activities after they were completely shut down for nearly a month.
We're trying to right now open up and be cautious about it.
Officials say residents will only be allowed to exercise on the beach, also while practicing social distancing.
Our citizens have been very cooperative. They've done what they're supposed to, and it's time to reward them.
And there are rules. The beach will only be open from 7 to 10 in the morning. They will then reopen from 6 to 8 at night, unless you're in Flagler Beach, which is sticking to the morning hours only. Boardwalks, beachfront parks, and parking lots will remain closed. So there's been a lot of questions about public parking. Well, public parking here in Cocoa Beach as well as Flagler County, those remain closed to the public. Now, we're going to stick around and see what people think about the change, and we're going to give you an update coming up at News 6 at noon. But for now, live in Cocoa Beach, Ezzy Castro getting results, News 6.